welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here, and today I am back with another vlog. And as I'm back home, it's December. In my university, we have like Christmas holidays. So, see, I'm thinking so much for this. So, I'm back home, and that is why for this individual week, I guess for 4 to 5 days, my father has taken complete leave. So, today's day is or today's vlog is going to be completely a day out with my father. It is almost evening 4. For the whole day I was working on different projects that are going to come very soon on my channel, like all those videos on those stuff. So once I completed that, right now you can see my father is there. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
So right now we are here and we will be going out. So I thought I'll take you people as well along with us and let's vlog. And so yeah, just follow me till then. So guys, right now I'm in this pastry shop and look at this guys, how beautiful and gorgeous these cakes are. Especially how much glossy they are. They are just looking like jellies. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so damn excited. I just want to have them. Okay, I cannot have this one, but I guess we will be going for small pastries or small pieces because I don't think my father is going to permit me for this because he knows I cannot complete that. So हाँ भैया वो एक पिंक वाला दे दो और एक ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट दे देना. So guys, right now I'm in ML Plaza, but you can see the Christmas decoration is on because this place is not that big like big malls and all, but here in our place we have this one, and close to that I have a theater as well. Today we are going for Dangal, but right now you can see how beautiful and gorgeous they have decorated. You can see throughout the whole place, the whole decoration is on. Just have a glance guys. This thing is made up of wood and it is so damn beautiful and creative at the same time. Oh my god, it's so damn pretty, but I don't know how they made it, but it's so damn cool. Oh my god. At the Christmas decoration is just looking so damn beautiful. I have already shown you how the top is looking like, the lightings and everything is so damn cool. So that's my friend. Bye. I didn't expect that. She saw me vlogging, she came, I don't know. Okay, so I'll take you throughout the whole day. Right now I don't have words what to do or how to react on that, but yeah, fine. Okay, I'll take you throughout the whole day. Then I have my movie tickets on. I have to go for Dangal, so wait for that. I'll complete my movie, I'll show you and I'll tell you what exactly, how was the movie and all those stuff. So follow me till then. guys, right now I'm in front of this Golgappa shop, and my father kept a challenge for me that if I can complete 30 Golgappas in 10 minutes, then he is going to pay for it, and I don't have to pay a single rupee. So I took the challenge, and the batch is right now going on. After they complete, I'm going to go and I'm going to have 30 Golgappas. Oh god, guys, the Golgappa was so damn spicy. Right now, I am in search of sweet because everything is burning inside. I don't know how I completed 10 because it was so damn spicy. So that's why I winded up my Golgappa competition. Right now, I'm going to get sweets for myself and just have a glance what they have. Guys, finally I'm back home. It's almost night 10 now, and we just completed watching the movie. The movie is so damn awesome. If you have not yet watched it, please go and watch it out, because it's not just a regular movie or Bollywood masala movie. It's something really amazing. I just loved it. How to explain? I don't know. I'm like, after watching the movie, I was like, what the hell? My reactions, everything just went off. I was like blank. It was so damn awesome, especially last 20-15 minutes was like, oh my god. So I do highly recommend, if you have not yet watched Dangal, please go and watch it out. And okay, so right now I'll take you inside. So guys, just have a glance what I am having right now, because as you have already seen, I have done the Golgappa competition. After that, from here till the stomach, everything is burning. So I decided to have all those sweets. I'll show you what I'm having. Though I have already shown you in this shop, but this is what I'm going to have alone. I'm not going to share this with anybody. I'm just going to complete this. After seeing this, my mom is like, you are going to have all them? I'm like, yeah, I will, because everything is burning. So okay, just wait, I'll complete them. Then I have something very very exciting. I'll show you that, because it's almost kind of a giveaway or something. What to, like, it's kind of a surprise, so wait for that, because it's coming in the last. I'll show you what I have planned and where it is gonna go. So yeah, follow me till the end. So guys, as you can see, I have taken 100 different cards for 100 of my viewers. It's a surprise for them. Nobody knows about this yet, because it's not a giveaway. I personally thought of surprising my viewers. What I have done, I've just mailed them, those who have participated. I know 100 is a less number, because there are more than 1,000 people, those who participated. But still, I thought that yeah, it will be great fun if I do this kind of a surprise, gift session or something. So you can see, these are the cards. These are very beautiful from inside, and I sometimes feel so nostalgic about it, because in my school times I used to give cards, and that is the reason I have already completed few, and these are the rest that I have to complete. Then I have to write the envelopes. I have to, what I have done, I just mailed them. I got their address, and they also don't know what I'm going to send them. They are like, why you need our address? I was like, send, there is something surprise that you are going to get. So they also don't know what is there. So I guess before I release the vlog, they'll be getting all these things. And yeah, I'm so damn excited. I'm more excited than them, I guess, because I personally, I'm not that professional. I sometimes feel that yeah, they are so much loving how they participated. So I thought at least I should increase the number. 10 people are already getting the giveaway. Other than that, 100 more people are going to get this with my cards. Like, these are my cards with my cards and personal letters and everything. So I'm so damn excited. So guys, I'm finally done with all these things. You can see these are all written and it's all filled and it's even sealed with my office seal and those things. So I have done all these things. It's complete. Right now my bed is a big mess because I have to clear them. I have to just pack them and I have to courier them. My father is going to help me out in doing all those stuff. So I know 100 is a less number, but I hope next time or within few days I'll do it again for few other viewers of my channel, so that who knows, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow you can also win this kind of something for yourself. So you don't have to do much. This kind of things are only open for my subscribers, so make sure you participate by subscribing. If you are watching me, then make sure you subscribe, you hit on the subscribe button and you like my video, because then only I'll get notification that you have subscribed or you have liked, then only I can see your name. So make sure you comment also, because that makes sure that yes, I go through that and I go through that you have been a part of my whole thing or whole channel. So other than that, you make sure you just hit on the like button, you subscribe, you hit on the bell icon as well to get the notification for my upcoming uploads and those stuff. You know all those things, right? So that's it for today's video. Make sure you take care of yourself, because that is the most important thing. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.